Abandi bagoitwa asoko nyara gusirerwa nso mabwabo abandi nigo bagoita asiri tukulia rabo igo nigo obosemi banyara bokurwegwa anego chiasa abantu aho imeye county ya Kisii anegoro yenchira yoko tangana kwera ninsebirengo byoko rusyo bogima yiri chinga kitoko nyara kwenyera matukalia amanyikante buna World Suicide Prevention Days wasama tuko alia abantu barokane kwengenta ekerokeria abamanyi kurwa sentinegitari awana mara sentinegitari ya Oasis babere bawe soke na kunyara kurwa obasemi bwabo gure chinchira cy'ikunyara gwetanga ebintu bikorera abantu banyara gwita omurikito dipona sanya nasanga nabamanyi igoro yebikore bikorera abantu gwita na gutwariganda roboti rokubwatia.
Our take home note today is we are going out there to abantu to create awareness to kwa negoro ya marwire yobongo ogoro ya depression na nene moto tebya abantu naki tibasa gwikirenga kibagweita
aso musangerekano bwo kwenania amaigilio ensingima igoro yogo kyani ebikorobyo kwerusia magima meye county ya Kisii ababwatani aho nigo bachamo na kwenania obosemia uchesa bamenyi bensemejwe.
Harriet Wamboi, I'm a psychologist. I work for Oasis Specialist Hospital. Today is World International Day to create awareness on suicide prevention. So we had an activity here at Oasis Specialist Hospital to sensitize people on suicide, what is suicide, what are the causes of suicide and how to deal with it.
Esegusi twararena ebisabyo gweita bomo ebo kwerusia byagendere bikonya boko babikobucha sachinde sengencha abantu batamaiti bomanyi inkibabwenete gokora ekera baikeru nengaki na birengererie bingi kyatogota na depression is one of the major causes ekogera abantu berusia bomoyo
sector ne kubwatiranigwa nebikoro nebigabyo kwerusia magima anene n'abana be university abo bono baba bakoboliwa komenya obugima boli abayiboli babo bakonyara.
My name is Grace Adhiambo. I'm a student at Kisii University and a member of YLF. Today we were very honored to be summoned here at Oasis Health Center to learn about suicide and what we can do. As we all know, suicide is so prevalent in university and among university students. One of the things I've learned and my takeaway home is I should actually interact more with people, talk about my problems more and live within my means, because as a university student there's a lot of peer pressure wanting to emulate what someone else is doing.
My name is Waiganjo Chege, a student of law at Kisii University. Also part of Africa Youth Leadership Forum. It's a platform where we're trying to nurture a new breed of leaders, taking into account that good mental health is a very vital element of a leader. We saw it best to take part in this event and create awareness among the youths on the causes and the ways of prevention in instances of suicide.
Niga bantu baboli weweso kiana kuirege tambokero elio gutuguterare inganeje igaya bantabange kwerusia obomoyo.
The World Suicide Prevention Awareness, which was to be marked today, and with this we have created a lot of awareness to the public, and we are urging the public wherever they are developing some suicidal thoughts, they come in plenty and we are ready to serve them. So we have promised to avail our resident psychologists and psychiatrists to be attending to them free for the whole of this month.
For this year is changing the narrative about the suicide. We don't want kufika pale we are committing suicide, we are dying by suicide, no. We are trying to prevent it, take action sahi.
Komenta najwe kubwatekana nogo konga kubugima nigo biga bantu baboliwe gusanga emechandeli bagweterana nabamwabo unenchiraje moyo gokeania ebikoro bunebiga
ebirengereri n'obugima bwabero bokongusana natoliga kiro muntu nabwate ebirengereri enche chibesa chigasi emechando na mangano osibya abanyene konyora tugotwara ayato ichiranete ekerego ikire engakyo kwe una bono watwarire ebirengereri ebinge watwarire challenges cha mangana aho goichira no ta I think yogokora ko ranche tubasa gukira kiri. We are there, the counselors are there on board, tubate psychologists, our hospital Oasis Health Specialist ne wate department ya mental health eye egokora bunya abo kurwali barwiro sipi not only depression yoka amaliego marwiro sipi yobongo kumuranje timokira mutubate our health promoters bali bale sebinyoro reach out egento togotebe getangani ekere kwigure no bwato muchando tobasa gukira kiri kwana
yinko ripoteria Ndizi TV kurunya gitari ya Oasis kutoka Meye County ya Kisii litirana enkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.